Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this lovely butter chocolate cake looking so yummy. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, just click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell to be getting a lot of my new video. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. You can see how soft our butter chocolate cake is looking. So easy to make, all in one method. Don't forget to like my video, don't forget to comment, feel free to ask questions, and feel free to invite a friend to this channel. In this channel we'll tutor you how to bake different cake recipes and small churros and pastries and many more. Let's get started. Ingredients for this chocolate cake: you will be needing your brown sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar. If you want to know how I made this brown sugar, is in my video section. You can search for it, how to bake brown sugar with Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. You need vanilla, dark vanilla, 1 teaspoon, your ½ cup of cocoa powder. You need ½ tablespoon of vinegar water you mix with your milk to get your buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of chocolate flavor, 2 eggs. You need ½ tablespoon of baking powder and 1 cup of flour. You need your butter. You'll be melting this butter out. We'll be measuring. We need ½ cup of melted butter. Right now you need to activate your cocoa powder with ½ cup of hot water. When I mean hot, very hot water, ½ cup of hot water. Stir together to combine. Mix ½ tablespoon of vinegar water to your ½ cup of milk to get your buttermilk. Add 1 teaspoon of dark vanilla, 1 teaspoon of chocolate flavor, to your dry ingredients you add ½ tablespoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add your melted butter, ½ cup, to your mixture. You continue creaming. Add your brown sugar, pour in your buttermilk, mix very well, and you add in your flour. Cream very well till you're sure there is no lump in your batter. grease your pan. Either you grease your pan with oil and cocoa powder, or you use your baking paper and line your pan before you bake. Bake up to 25 to 30 minutes before you start shaking. Depending on the pan, if you divided the batter from 15 to 20 minutes, you start shaking your cake. Our cake is ready. Looking so yummy. This is looking so lovely. Oh, so creamy. This is so nice. Just allow it to cool off. You turn it out. The pan is so hot, so I have to turn it out. Wow, 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 wow. Our butter chocolate cake is out, looking so soft. If you're new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Just click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell to be getting a lot of my new video, so that any day I post any of my wonderful video, you will also enjoy it as well. Feel free to comment and don't forget to invite a friend to this video. You can see how soft, how creamy our cake is looking. Oh, you need to come along and have a bite. So nice, so lovely. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.